Imagine sinking your teeth into a piece of tender chicken, marinated in a symphony of spices, and cooked to perfection in a rich and creamy tomato-based sauce. The butter chicken, a classic Indian dish, is a culinary masterpiece that tantalizes the taste buds with its bold flavors and luxurious texture. Today, unlock the secrets to crafting this gastronomic delight in your own kitchen. First, the journey to creating this dish begins with marinating the chicken. Gather boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces, and immerse it in a marinade made from a cup of plain yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon each of red chili powder, turmeric powder, ground cumin, and coriander. Add salt to taste. Ensure every piece of chicken is well coated in this vibrant mixture. Cover and let it rest in the refrigerator. While an hour would suffice, marinating overnight will result in flavors that are more intense and deeply ingrained in the chicken. Next, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat, brushing it with a little oil to prevent the chicken from sticking. Cook the marinated chicken pieces until they're browned and cooked through, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Once done, remove from heat and set aside. Now the stage is set for preparing the sauce that is the heart of this dish. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium heat. To this, add a finely chopped large onion. Cook until it turns soft and translucent, typically about 5 to 7 minutes. Following this, add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and let it cook for another minute. To this aromatic mixture, add pureed tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a teaspoon each of red chili powder, ground cumin and coriander, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir well, letting the spices blend with the tomatoes. Finally, add the cooked chicken to the pan and stir gently, making sure the chicken is well coated with the sauce. Simmer for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Stir in half a cup of heavy cream, enhancing the richness of the sauce. Adjust the salt, and there you have it, a pot of butter chicken ready to be devoured. To summarize, marinate the chicken in spices and yogurt, grill it until browned, prepare the sauce by sautéing onions, adding tomato puree, tomato paste and spices, and finally simmer the cooked chicken in the sauce, finishing off with a splash of heavy cream. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with naan or rice for an authentic Indian meal right in your dining room. This butter chicken recipe, with its simplicity and depth of flavors, is sure to impress, transporting you to the streets of India with every bite. So put on your apron, ignite the stove, and embark on a culinary adventure to create this Indian classic.